Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to calculate the power using recursion. So let's start it. In the first line, this defines a function named power that takes two input, base, the number to be raised, and exponent, the power raised to it. Now in the next line, in the base case, this check if exponent is 0, if true returns 1. Because any number raised to the power 0 is 1, this is a mathematical property. Now in the next step, in the recursive step, if exponent is not 0, the function multiplies base by the result of calling power, base and exponent minus 1, reducing the problem to a power calculation. Now in the next line, this prompts the user to enter the base number. Here the input is converted to an integer using int. Now in the next line, this prompts the user to enter the exponent, means the power. This input is also converted to an integer. Now in the last line, this calls the power function with the base and exponent values provided by the user and prints the result. So let's check it. As I am entering the number 12. Now I am entering the power 2. Hence 12 raised to the power is 144. Thanks for watching this video.